Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Інна. Вітаю вас на каналі Speak Ukrainian. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Guys, before we start, I would like to ask you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. Today we will learn with you French vocabulary. I'll be there for you. You know it, yeah? So I didn't realize that there are so many useful words on this topic, to be honest. And last week I had a speaking club at the University of Texas. We had this topic and I wrote a big list of you guys. So let's check it out. Дружба. Дружба means friendship, but also this word дружба means a best man at the wedding. Yeah, that's a very interesting word. Дружба. Дружелюбний, that's an adjective. It means friendly. Дружелюбний. Дружити, that's the verb. Yeah, it means to make friends. Дружити. Подружитися. Подружитися, at the same like стати друзями, means to become friends. Подружитися. Дружина, wife. Дружина. So you can see we have many words with this suffix, with this root. Друж, like дружба, дружелюбний, дружити, подружитися, дружина. Okay, let's continue. Друг or подруга means a friend. So друг, this is a male form, подруга, female one, like friend and girlfriend. Друг, подруга. Знайомий or знайома, again here we have male and female forms. It means acquainted. That's the person that you just know, but you don't have any like tight connections. Знайомий, знайома. Yeah, and this word, it comes from the там познайомимося. Like let's know each other. Or let's get acquainted. Так. The next word is also very useful, is приятель or приятелька. Приятель, male form, приятелька, female. This word also means a friend, but this is just a good a person that it's just good to spend time together, but no any like very close friendship. Колега. Колега means a colleague. Колега. And this is a very interesting word because it has a common gender. What? What does it mean? So колега, this word, it can be masculine and also can be feminine gender noun. So you can say мій колега. Me, it means mine. This is the masculine gender form. For example, Андрій мій колега. Andrew is my colleague. And колега, yes, you can say, Ina, this word, it ends in a. And we have the rule that when a word ends in a, it belongs to feminine gender. You're right. But this word is an exception. And it belongs to the common gender. And we have a set of the words that belong to this спільний рід, common gender. If you want me to record a video lesson about that, please write in the comments below, because your opinion, your ideas, very important to me. Так, колега. Also you can say Олена, моя колега. Олена is my colleague. Андрій, Олена, мій or моя колега. Товариш, a friend or like comrade. Так, товариш is a friend who is connected by common business or work. And also this word was very famous and popular during the USSR, like товариш Ivanov, comrade Ivanov, and so on. Компаньон, companion, компаньон. And also this combination of words are very popular too. Найкращий друг, best friend. Найкращий друг, or you can say найкраща подруга. Найкраща подруга. Близький друг, close friend. близький друг or близька подруга. Секс по дружбі. Секс по дружбі, friends with benefits. Секс по дружбі. Так, okay. Let's repeat these different variations of the word friend in the Ukrainian language. Is друг, a friend, знайомий, acquainted, приятель, a friend, колега, a colleague, товариш, friend, comrade, компаньйон, companion, найкращий друг, близький друг, секс по дружбі. Also, I prepared for you some slang and jargon. It's very interesting. So you can say bro, bratan, or bratucha. It means like bro, like in English. Bro, bratan, brat, bratucha. Of course, this is these slang words that are used by men. That's how they call each other. Kent or kentucha. Kent. It's a very interesting word, and I was curious, what is the origin of this word? And it comes from Odessa, and it comes from the Jewish people Hebrew language. And as you know, there are a lot of Jewish people in Odessa, or we call them Одеські євреї, like a Jewish, like Odessian Jewish people. Kent, kentucha, again, men use this word. Chuvak means dude. Chuvak. Chuvicha, it's like female form. So bro, Kent, men use these two words to call each other, like a friend. Chuvak, dude, chuvicha, it's female form. And another one is koresh, also a slang word, jargon. It's a jargon, I think, more like koresh, a friend. And the last two words that, again, I want to say the word popular, but they really are. So, you know, in Ukraine right now we have a full-scale invasion, and people who serve in army, who fight for the liberation of Ukraine, for our freedom, independence, they call each other in the military побратим or посестра. Побратим, this word comes from brat, brother, посестра because of sestra, sister, and this is how you call a friend in the fight. So the person with whom you are together, you serve together, you fight together. So that's how they call each other. Побратим, посестра. I know many of my subscribers, they come to Ukraine to volunteer, to help with the tactic medicine, to teach or train our soldiers how to fight, how to use the different weapons, etc. Or some of the people, they come and fight for Ukraine. So these two words will be very useful for you, and I'm sure you will hear them many times. Побратим, посестра. Okay, guys, so please write in the comments below your usages with this, your sentences using this new vocabulary for you. Maybe you know some other words that I didn't mention today. There can be some more, so please, you're welcome to do that. I read your comments, and I'm very curious to check out your homework, because that's your homework. If you feel that you would like to learn Ukrainian language seriously, and you're tired of Duolingo and you're stuck, you're welcome to check out my website speakia.com, where you can book a trial lesson just for $1. Also, we have online courses, group lessons, textbooks, flashcards. You can also take an online test and evaluate your knowledge. So you're welcome to do that. If you find my hard work on YouTube useful for you, you can send me a thank you with the help of Patreon, or you can just do any amount of donation. I appreciate it. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Ваша вчителька Інна, your teacher Інна, and Papa. Bye-bye.